Welcome to Aromania Developers Vidhilekan Sankhya Vibhamma Uttaryati, a developers community.
What's up, everyone? This is Satvik from Error Mania. So far we have seen the how the camera works and what are the like different properties of it, um, and the image UI element of Canvas. So today we will be seeing some more elements of the Canvas, and I will brief you about what this inspector actually means. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna change the color of this camera. So let me tell you this: the camera always has a color to it. So wherever there is nothing like a blank space, so the camera will show the color which the background color which we have chosen. So since we have chosen this color, so this it will show this background color, and I really don't like this default color, so I'm gonna change it to black. Okay, so every game object or UI element or any such thing, first of all, whenever you click on it, this inspector window will open relative to that object or UI element. In here you can directly change its position, its width, height, okay, anchor points, rotation, scale, and remember that the anchor point is always relative to the canvas, so it's not available for other game objects which we'll be seeing in the later videos. Anchor point is only for the UI elements, and it is always anchored with respect to the canvas. So you can see that this let me delete these images. So to delete a lot of images, UI elements or game objects from the hierarchy, which are situated just next to each other, just click on any one of them and then hold shift and click on the last element which you want to be deleted. Okay, and then just hit delete and all will be deleted. Okay, so this image will be is like a consider it like a text box for the text to be written. So it's like the frame or a photo frame. Consider it like a photo frame for a photo. And the thing about this is that whenever if we add an image, let me show you. See this image. Okay, you can see that it's a polygon shape, so if we drag it select this image and drag it onto this, so imagine this to be a photo and this is a frame. And the cool thing about this is that whenever you drag a photo to this photo frame, the photo frame will take the shape of this photo. Let me like this. So just you can directly drag an image to this source image, or just select it from here. Okay, so see how the frame actually took the shape of this source image. Actually this image is black and the background is black, so it's not visible. So let me change the color of the camera to a bit red. Yeah, that works fine. So now you can change the image according to your need. So let me show you another UI element which will come very much in handy. Hit this Text Mesh Pro. Okay, so it will ask you to import the TMP essentials. Just hit OK, wait for it. So this text mesh, hit also this button. So the text mesh pro is, you can either down use any like text, plain simple text, or this text mesh pro, which is like it has a lot of features you can add, like glowing, special effects, all those kind of things. Just hit this text, uh, select the move tool and move it there. Okay. Yeah. Let's set it to like middle, alignment to middle, and mm, yeah. Okay. So now anchor it to around this text box. Okay, I forgot, like if you today. So that was all about today. From the next upcoming series and video, we'll be seeing sprites and game objects, and further on, like move to like some coding. Okay, so that's it. See you soon.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Errormania. We are coming with more solutions to our programming problems, and stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you.